The moment your mother is no longer there, you feel like you want to kill yourself as well. Because there's no, you are not yet independent. You're not yet independent. Shaky, 8 years of age. Do you think that if mommy and daddy is not paying your bills, you will survive? Will you survive? With who? I'm just worried. Because if you are 8 years of age, you are so dependent on somebody else. I mean, Lachey at her age, I think she was probably 3 years of age. She wanted to make her own food. She didn't wanted us to make the, that pink pop and whatnot ever, those kind of things. She wanted to do it herself, but we forced her not to, because in our minds, we look at the mess that she is making, not knowing that that is things that teaches her to be independent.